Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash chit chat get ready with me on this look right here, and it's just like a realistic wearable Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you want to be like festive with the pink but you don't want to do like a dramatic look or anything, it's just a really soft, super simple pink in the crease and blend it out on the lid. I really love this look. I would totally wear this on Valentine's Day if I had something to do. I talk about some stuff. I also use the Wet n Wild MegaCusion foundation again, but with a different primer. If you want to see how I got this super wearable, super pretty, super pink look, then just keep watching. Since this is a pretty simple look, I'm just going to start with my face. And today I'm going to try and use this primer with the Wet n Wild MegaCusion foundation, and it's the AOA Studio Underskin Illuminating Primer. Sorry if you hear a bunch of like cars going by. It's raining outside, and that's what happens whenever it rains. You can hear the cars go by because of the wet road. It stinks, but whatever. We're gonna have to deal with it. I haven't tried this foundation with this primer yet, and I actually like applying it with the sponge it comes with. I feel like I get a lot more coverage, and yes, this is a little dark for me, but it's okay. I like applying it with the sponge and then like blending it out with my like Real Technique sponge. I actually did finally get a new Real Technique sponge, and like this is like an updated one where it actually has like RT inside. I don't think I've already filmed a video with this. I'm gonna talk about my uploading. So I know recently I haven't been on my game because I just don't know anything to film. Like, I literally had so many times I could have filmed, but you know I can't because I don't know what to film. I feel like I'm the most annoying YouTuber because that's all I ask for is video recommendations, but seriously, like, that would make making videos a lot easier. Better content, because I wouldn't have to just slap up a video like my trying weird candy video. Yeah, I really did want to film that, but I wanted to actually like sit down and set aside time for it, but then I was like, I really need to film this right now because I have to get a video up. Which I still really like how that video turned out, even though I haven't even finished editing it. Like, time has just gotten away so fast, even though I feel like January has been like the longest month ever. Like, it feels like it's actually literally been like 3 months into 2017, not just 1 month, because today is February 1st. That is all Valentine's out. Not really, but I was wearing like my Valentine's Day socks and wearing like pink stripes. I'm filming this wearable Valentine's Day look. I love February, even though I've only ever had like one Valentine before. I guess I had one in like 5th grade. Let's not overdo it this time because last time I overdid it and that was embarrassing. At the same time, it has gotten away fast because last night I was laying in bed and like I've been editing the candy video to get it up because I was at least going to try and post once a week, and then I was like, oh my goodness, it's Wednesday. Like, literally, I don't understand. This week I guess has gone by fast, even though it still has gone by slow, but it's gone by fast at the same time. I don't know, it makes no sense. But I just used the Maybelline Instant Rewind Eraser Dark Circles and Brightening as a corrector, and then I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. As you guys saw, I let it set a little bit. I just feel like this is the most flawless I can get my concealer whenever I do this. If I was wearing this as like a wearable look, I wouldn't wear foundation, I would just wear concealer. but I did really want to try out this combo. Feel free to leave off any products in this video or add-on products, or not wear makeup on Valentine's Day. I don't know if y'all noticed, I haven't really done any like big mouth moves or anything. I have my retainers and I actually just got back from my appointment. These feel like super weird because they're a lot harder than regular Invisalign, plus I've had like the Invisalign without the attachments on for like a month, so they've been pretty loose. I didn't get as much whitening as I wanted to get done before my after pictures, but I just haven't had any time, like literally, to do anything. It's gone by slow, but it's gone by, like, I don't know how to say it, but like the full month has gone by slow, but then the individual days after school, at least, because like school goes by super slow, like the rest of the day goes by super fast. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I kind of want to do a dramatic Valentine's Day inspired look, not necessarily something you would wear. I just really want to get creative and do like more like fun artsy looks and not just like makeup looks. I'm just really inspired by James Charles because I was watching his video yesterday. It was the one where he recreated like an old look of his, and it was like he did a Q&A while he was doing it, and he was saying like you need to set yourself apart, which I've heard that a million times when it comes to like a beginning YouTuber, but no one ever like explains what they mean. Like they're like, just be yourself, and I'm like, well, I am myself, so I don't know what's wrong. He's like, don't do what everyone else is doing. Don't just do brown smoky eyes, cut creases, all that. Even though cut creases are creative for me, I really want to do a cut crease. I just want to be artsy as well. I've never really gotten artsy with my makeup. I just stay in my comfort zone, even if I do go out of my comfort zone, like on my like actual eye. I want to go out of my comfort zone this year, and that was one of my goals, but I didn't really specify. Like I kind of said just like wearing wing liner or whatever like that, but I really want to get creative, like real creative. So if you want, like, leave like some, because those milk charts, milk 14 something like that, those face charts, leave any face charts you want to see down below, because I've looked through them, but I just don't feel like any of them like really called my name. I'm just using the e.l.f. Cool Bronzer right now and mixing all the colors together. But yeah, I do want to like recreate one of those. And then I'm going to go with a Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party, just for a little bit of pink. For highlighter, I'm going to use, this is pretty much my go-to like pink champagne highlighter, and it's Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. I just really love this highlighter. Really any shade in the Carli Bybel palette as well, any of those pink shades. But I know I haven't used that palette in forever, so I can't say I always use that palette, but I just want to use this today. I might top it off a little with that, but we'll see. I haven't like done my makeup in a while because I haven't been filming. And I don't really, like, I do like everyday makeup, but I really don't do everyday makeup every day. But that's like the makeup I wear if I wear it, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what videos y'all have seen yet. The videos I've filmed so far is that candy video and then my skincare routine. You probably won't see that till after this because I'm probably going to upload my candy video and then upload this video and then upload that video. I am going to go to the eyes, and I don't really know what palette I'm using today. I was going to use the Summer Breeze palette and use like that shade and then like the purple shade, but then I also wanted to just use like this shade and do like a really soft pink. I think I'm gonna like transition it up with this one first. I'm just gonna start out with like those. I'm going with that peachy one first. I just feel like this look is so simple, but like I still don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna go with that super cool toned shade just to get some definition. I think I'm going to use this pink just because I feel like it matches the background better. Soft Core from Colourpop. Lightly start out with it. I really like doing colorful looks, but they're like super simple colorful looks where you just do like the color in the crease and it's super light, just because I feel like it makes you look like you tried on your makeup even though you literally only did like one color like this. And so what I'm going to do is deepen up the outer corner with this shade and then just blend it up in the crease. So like if I were to have plans on Valentine's Day, I'd probably wear this. I'd honestly probably wear this anytime because I actually, oh my goodness, I actually really like this. But I think I'm going to leave it where the inner corner is like kind of pink, but not all the way pink, you know. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush, and I guess I will start out with like the peachy shade I used first. I'm going to go with that cool shade, and I'm going to go with that soft core shade, and I'm going to fluff it on first, and then I'll go in with a denser brush. I'm going to use the same highlight on the inner corner. I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to drag a little bit. Okay. This is what the eyes look like. It's like super soft. I'm going to do... Wow, I actually kind of stabbed my eye. No! Now I'm gonna go clean that up. I went ahead and put on my mascara and cleaned some stuff up. Did my brows and set my face. I think what this foundation, the only problem I see with it right now is it's a little cakey like underneath my nose. Like I feel like it just sits there, and in the crevice of my chin, which that's where the issue was like the first time that I used it. That's about it. For my lips, I'm just gonna keep it simple and use the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Peach Belleni. As you can see, I've used quite a bit. This is gonna be the most realistic thing. Like I'm not gonna try and put on a lipstick if I know I wouldn't wear it. Plus I just feel like on Valentine's Day you're gonna be like going out to dinner, and I mean I guess you might be kissing a little bit and you don't want like lipstick to smear all over them or get all over your face. So I think the easiest, safest way to go is just like a sheer nude gloss. I really love this look like a lot. This is the finished look and I love it so much. Everything is just like so pink but so wearable. I like would definitely actually wear this if I were like, you know, doing something on Valentine's Day. This isn't like anything too crazy. Like I feel like anyone could wear this and it doesn't make your eyes look red or anything. Like it just looks like a pretty pink. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I did kind of do a chit chat, get ready with me. If you want to see like a whole video on Invisalign, I would love to do that. I'm just gonna wait until my like before and after pictures come in so I can talk to you all about like if I recommend it or what do I think of it, the good things about it and the bad things about it, things like that. If you want to see that, it wouldn't be sponsored, I promise you. Also, please, please, please leave any video recommendations down below so that I know what y'all want to see and also what videos to do. Tell me if you want to see like more artsy creative videos, but even if they are just ones where like they're sped up and I'm just playing with makeup, just let me know. If you want like a dramatic Valentine's Day inspired look, even if it isn't wearable. And I am going to do a full face of first impressions, so leave any new makeup or just any makeup that you haven't seen me use that you want to see me use or that I should try out. Tell me down below if you would wear this makeup on Valentine's Day or what you're gonna wear or if you're gonna wear any. Tell me your plans for Valentine's Day as well. I would love to know if you're going on like a special date or if you're just gonna watch Netflix or if you're doing schoolwork or whatever you're doing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!